Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Renaissance Birmingham Ross Bridge Golf Resort and Spa. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a free parking. Located 3.9 miles from Route 150, this hotel offers an indoor pool and a fitness center. It also features 2 restaurants specializing in Mediterranean and traditional American cuisine. All guest rooms come with a work desk and coffee maker. Each has a large bathroom with granite countertop and tiled bathtub. Private balconies feature views of the grounds and the golf course. Guests at the Renaissance Birmingham Ross Bridge can enjoy a selection of tapas, beef and seafood dishes at the Brock's restaurant. Specialty martinis are served at the lobby with live evening music. The hotel spa offers a full menu of body treatments and massages. The 18-hole golf course offers rentals and lessons, along with a driving range. Renaissance Birmingham Ross Bridge Golf Resort and Spa is located 1.5 miles from Robert Trent Jones Golf Trail, Valley Course. The Birmingham Zoo is 11 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.